Do you do this at home? The neighbors will call the cops on you. Oh, look! They grab all of it. This is better entertainment than watching football. A lot more. It's a lot more exercise for you. They crawl on each other. Oh, that was a tree! Look at that, how fast he was! Like a horse. What was that called?